You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.
Tell me what's going on with your shoulder.
Shoulder injury.
How long? 4 weeks. How did you injure your shoulder?
It fell off the ladder.
Okay. Did you land on your shoulder? How much pain?
About a 7.
Is that what's difficult for you to do now?
Range of motion.
In the arm?
And lift.
Let's try the range of motion and see what's difficult. Bring it up, both of them. Any problem with that?
No. And this one.
So that's painful, yeah. So that's on the right side. Where do you feel the pain? In the front? How much from 0 to 10?
Oh, probably 8 or 9.
8 or 9. And you're welcome. Thank you. What kind of treatment you had? Nothing? Okay. So you've been having this for a month now, and your MRI shows that like a tear in your biceps. And you landed what?
Yeah.
You lose conscious or anything? Prior to that accident, you didn't have any issue, did you?
No.
Oh yeah, because they transfer you. Right up. What? Oh, and you wait, it's for a conflict?
That's good. You killed the tightness here? Is that painful?
Yeah, I did.
How does feel now?
There was only
And it was
Yeah.
blood looser.
where it's from. The bird?
Alright, so let's actually see your range of motion. Try it again. How's that? You're going further now. Any pain?
No.
Okay.
Yet.
Where do you feel the tightness? Can you go all the way up?
Just tight here. Around here and around the
In the forearm?
Yeah.
Here, you have this tightness. You guys feel that? I feel it. Okay, so just take one word, okay? Stop. So you've been like limited range of motion since that happened.
No, but just an office.
Alright, try it again. Tell me how that feel.
lover.
Upward?
Discomfort.
The
change.
Alright, so what do you think about the treatment? We just did in a few minutes. Awesome, thank you so much.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.